Turning to the Federal Reserve, what do you know? The Fed came through as predicted, 1/4 point of a hike. They say, this is it. This is it for now. We're not going to move again. How can they move again? For goodness sakes, you got bank failures going on. They're like dominoes, one after another. Everybody's worried about a regional banking crisis that could be really and truly problematic, like systemically problematic. And the more interest rates go up, the more all these banks, especially regional banks, are left with all those treasuries on their balance sheet that they have to mark to market that are worth less if they were to sell them today, because they're worth less because interest rates are higher, and therefore you can get a treasury at a higher rate. I mean, it's stuff that they should have seen coming, but for whatever reason, we don't have the best and the brightest in Washington, D.C. News alert. And so now the Fed says, we're just one and done. You're going into an election year. The last thing the Biden administration wants is for interest rates to be going up during an election year. And so Jerome Powell is going to bend over backwards to make sure that doesn't happen for whatever reason. I think he ought to just do what's right for the economy as opposed to doing what's right for your boss there over in the Oval Office. But this is what's going on. So he's not going to raise them. We're going to have more inflation as a result. And so all we're doing is kicking the can down the road. The market likes it. The market's trading a little bit higher on the news. Mark my words, this inflation problem not going away.